Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to attach a GitHub pull request to ClickUp so you can streamline your workflow and manage your projects more effectively in one place. Whether you're a developer, project manager, or team leader, this integration makes collaboration smoother and keeps all your work connected. First, open your web browser and head over to the ClickUp website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign in using your credentials or your Google account for a faster login. Once you're inside your ClickUp workspace, you'll see your dashboard with all your tasks, spaces, and lists neatly organized. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any steps. Next, look for the menu option labeled More on your ClickUp homepage. Click it to reveal a drop-down menu, and from here, select Apps. This section houses all the available integrations that ClickUp offers. It's an essential hub for connecting external tools and customizing ClickUp to fit your workflow perfectly. Once inside the Apps section, click on All Apps to see the complete list of integrations. In the search bar, type GitHub and press Enter. You'll see GitHub appear in the results. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to connect your GitHub account with ClickUp. This step is crucial as it establishes a secure link between the two platforms, allowing you to track pull requests and issues directly within ClickUp. To connect, simply click Connect and follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to authorize ClickUp to access your GitHub repositories. This process is quick and ensures that ClickUp can pull in your pull requests and updates automatically. Once connected, you're ready to attach PRs to your tasks, making it easy to monitor progress and keep your team aligned. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you have the correct GitHub account ready, check that your repositories are accessible, and confirm that you've granted the necessary permissions. Doing this beforehand can save time and prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to attach GitHub pull requests directly to your ClickUp tasks without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to test by linking one PR first to make sure everything syncs properly. Taking this extra step ensures a seamless workflow and keeps your project updates accurate and organized. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to attach GitHub pull requests to ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with your team or others who might benefit. Why not make someone's day easier?